What's going on, guys? My name's Dobre, and today we are launching part 1 of an ongoing series called 1 Minute Cinema. It's exactly that. It's 1 minute of footage put together in a cinematic way so you guys can sit back, watch, and just enjoy something different. There's no tutorial in it, there's no lesson, it's just enjoy watching the video. So, if you're new here or if you're not new here, please consider liking and or subscribing, and see you in the 1 Minute Cinema. Bye!
Wicked, wicked, I'm gonna stop it.
What do you think of our first 1 Minute Cinema, guys? I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember, big old fat thumbs up, subscribe, leave us a comment, yada yada. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Wicked, wicked, I'm gonna stop it.